What is good, mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So first things first, I would like to thank all of my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, followers, subscribers, salamat sa inyong lahat. And for today's video, I would just like to address, is there any positive impact pag nagiging addictive ka to something na gusto mo? Okay? So how can we relate that to trading? Okay? So again, I must say na you have to be addictive to something na gusto mo talaga, what you want to become, what you want to achieve, ano man yung goals mo or targets. Kasi, honestly, in my case, I become addictive sa trading in a sense that I am sacrificing something to gain something. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, addictive in a sense also na mas marami nang lalaan mong oras kaysa sa usual mong ginagawa. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung mga positive impact nito sa atin, lalo na sa mga baguhang traders? Okay? I can honestly say na if you want to achieve something, gawin nyo, maging addictive kayo dun sa bagay na makakapagpa-improve sa inyong skills. Okay? Let's say, minsan, nalilipasan na kayo ng oras sa pagkain or hindi nyo na namamalayan yung oras, ilang oras na kayo sa pag-aaral, sa pag-chart, or pag-research ng mga information regarding or additional resources, no, para mas mag-improve pa yung inyong skill. Okay? So, again, being addictive sa bagay na alam mo na gusto mo at gusto mong maging is, I think, that is one of the key factor kaya magiging successful ka sa isang bagay niya. Okay? So, marami tayo kasing bagay na pinagkakaadikan. Like, for example, for some people, like games. Okay? So, if sa tingin nila, they're earning something out of that, okay? Kahit naubos yung oras nila doon, hindi naiintindihan ng ibang tao bakit gusto mo yung ginagawa mo dahil, di ba? For some people, games lang pero yung iba kumikita dyan. Okay? So, nothing wrong with that. At the same time, nag-i-enjoy kayo. So, always find something na makakakuha ka ng enjoyment. Okay? At the same time, alam mo, at the end of the day, may makuha kang value dun sa ginagawa mo. Okay? May it be knowledge, may it be satisfaction, okay, or anything na nakakapagpaalis ng stress mo or ano. So, again, iba-iba naman tayo ng goals or iba-iba tayo ng sinaset na target sa buhay, okay? So, in the case naman ng trading, no, tandaan nyo, trading has a lot of financial risk. Alam naman natin yan. So, yung iba na-addict kahit ilang beses na natatalo, babalik pa rin. But, tandaan nyo, those people na continuously nag-fail at talagang nagpo-pursue, okay? There will come a time na one day, ma-realize nila na yung knowledge nila from, initially hanggang sa ngayon is nag-iba na. Ibig sabihin, they have gained more experience, they have gained more knowledge, more information dun sa journey niyo. So, walang masama maging addict. Okay? Again, in term na addict, mukhang hindi maganda pakinggan, but walang masama maging addict sa bagay na alam mo makakapagpabago ng buhay mo or makakapagpa-improve. Ano man yan? Skill set, like physical well-being, for example, like sports, or let's say, pag-gym, kung ano man. So again, anything na merong positive results sa inyo, okay, is okay lang maging addict doon. Ibig sabihin, you are dedicated, you are sacrificing something to gain something. Okay, so kaya dun sa mga nagsisimula, dun sa mga nagbabalik loob sa pag-trade, huwag kayong matakot magsimula ulit, huwag kayong matakot mawala sa scene. For example, sa mga kaibigan nyo, like for example, noon, mabilis kang naaya na, "Uy, tara, inom," ganyan. Pero ngayon, hindi na kasi. You are not dedicating your time more dun sa bagay na alam mo, 3 months or so, may iba na yung yung mindset mo at the same time skill set mo mag-i-improve. Okay? So, again, napakaraming questions kasi ako nare-receive. Maraming tao nagtatanong, Coach, na-addict na ako pero wala pa rin result. Again, being addictive to something, so kailangan mo rin magkaroon ng goal setting. Okay? So, kailangan mong mag-set. Okay? Ano ba yung gusto mong tahakin? Hindi pwedeng ma-addict ka lang sa bagay at nag-waste ka lang ng time to something wala kang direction. So, set goals, for example, daily. Ano ba yung gusto kong ma-achieve ngayon? So, if kailangan mag-render ng like 8 hours of your day para dun sa bagay na yung gawin mo. Okay? The reason lang naman nagkakaroon ng term na addiction sa isang bagay is para palaging yun na lang yung ginagawa mo. Okay? So, magkaiba yung rendering more time dun sa bagay na nagbibigay sa'yo ng positive results versus nag-rendering more time sa bagay na nag-aaksaya lang ng oras mo. Okay? So, isa na dyan. Again, yung games versus studying. So, again, malawak na usapin to kasi debatable naman dyan. Kasi games are also part of, for some people, na nakapagtanggal na sa kanilang stress, and trading or studying, in a sense, nagbibigay naman sa ibang tao ng stress. So, again, medyo subjective yung usapin na yun, but again, you have to balance things out. So, ako, whatever it takes, during that time, nag-aaral ako, whatever it takes, if kailangan ko i-sacrifice yung tulog, kailangan i-sacrifice yung oras ko sa ibang mga kaibigan, ibang mga tao, I don't care. Kasi I have goals, I have set what I want to become, what I want to be, what I want to achieve. So, I don't care what other people say, I don't care what other people think kung anong ginagawa ko. Kasi, yeah, it will come to a point na mapapansin yun ng tao sa paligid mo. Ano ba to? Parang yun na yung ginagawa, this and that. But, again, just to give you motivation that no one can stop you. Whatever you want to become, go for it. Kailangan mo maging addict sa bagay na yun. Basta sa tingin mo, mamimit mo yung goals mo, go for it. Alright? So, again, this is just a simple conversation between you and I, of you all people na nagsisimula sa trading, may mga hurdles along the way. Okay? So, kapag na-feel kayo ng like you want to quit, okay, balikan nyo lang ano yung rason nyo bakit kayo nagsisimula. So, yeah. So, that will be all for today. Again, thank you so much to all my VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and ganoon din sa mga 1% na haters. Again, I cannot please everyone. Lahat may kanya-kanyang opinion, but I do respect all of you guys. So, yeah. If you want to become one of my students, go check out the description below. And if you want to open a trading account, yeah, might as well use my link under XM. So, yeah. So, that will be it for today. And thank you so much. God bless you all.
So, I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. And some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Alright.